Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Make your X website stand out in browser tabs by adding a custom favicon. This tutorial walks you throughout the simple process of uploading and setting your favicon. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, in this video, let's talk about Favicon, exactly what it does. So the Favicon is your logo, but it's not the logo that's showed in the website itself. For example, in the website, some people will have like here, like this is the Wix logo. So this is not a favicon. Favicon is more than that. It is the logo that shows in the tabs. As you can see here in my tabs, here there is Wix logo, here there is the Google Chrome logo, here YouTube logo, Facebook logo, Twitch logo, and X logo. So all of these logos called favicon, and this can be very helpful for your website, so people can acknowledge the tab of your site. For example, if they are open in multiple tabs, your website will stand out between these tabs. It will not be a bland website with just letters. It will have a logo that presents you, that sees basically matches your website, your brand, and everything. And nowadays you all know that every single professional website basically has a favicon. No matter what website, even like startups website, even like the trashiest websites online, just like the importance of favicon is very good, since it gave like a value to your site. It's not random websites, and it is very important. Now, how can you add this favicon into your site? First of all, go to your account and basically open your site and go to the settings. So in the settings here, guys, you can either, of course, go through your site settings, which would gonna be in this area. So you could go from this area and go to your website settings, or basically you can search right through here for favicon. So this is how you can do it, tools and settings. And basically, as you can see, we can load this page. Let's try again. This is basically, I think, because I don't have a template, let me just start up and make a template to my site. Design site, here, pick a template real quick. Just pick a random one, edit, choose this one, and just like that, I will be able to get to the page where I can change the favicon. So let's wait a little bit longer until the template has loaded. For you guys, if you have your template already going on and everything is good, you will not have the same issues that I am facing right now. So generate text, anything, click on publish, save and continue, and I think just like that it's showing. So here you can find your site design, like a couple of things, but we're not really gonna talk about that. I'm just going back to my dashboard, and from here I'm going to search for the favicon again. This might be a bug that is not connected to the actual thing, but yeah, here it is. Once I have created the template, my website settings, here you can find everything, and here the favicon is basically loaded. So here, as you can see, your favicon is currently the Wix logo. Upgrade to a premium plan that includes a custom favicon. So here, as you can see, you cannot change your favicon until you have a premium plan. Now I'm gonna check which premium plan is gonna be allowing us to do so. Let me just close all the other tabs that I've explained. So here, as you can see, I'm gonna go all the way down, and simply I'm going to search for favicon, and normally it will not show here. Let me just search. Yeah, what does it mean is basically any plan of these can get you it. So I think even if you went with the light one, you could literally get the favicon upgraded. Yeah, upgrade to a premium plan. So any one of these will get you the favicon option, which will allow you eventually to download and upload a favicon and change it for yourself. So this is a step that's only people that are basically willing to take a huge step in their website, willing to be going for a long term. This is an investment that you will have to do. Eventually, $7 per month is not really something of a big deal in case you're really going to build a big website that will have a lot of visitors. So this is an investment. It is good. it will also allow you to add a custom domain. So this is a win-win tool. This is a very important thing. So having a favicon with no custom domain, I mean, that's not how it really works. So you have to go for both. So here it is with this plan. The light one, as you can see, will give you 2 collaborator, 2 GB space, light marketing suite, and free domain for 1 year. And it will give you also the favicon option to be added. So yeah, it's a very good option to go for. I highly recommend it. And if you don't want to go for a premium plan, then Wix will stay up here. So Wix will be always your favicon. So whenever someone visited your website, will know that you have created your website on Wix, and basically this is something that you do not want to leak always to people. You do not want to make them know where you have created your site, what is your provider, etc. These informations are basically privacy. So basically just get yourself $7 and try to upgrade it. And yeah, that was basically it, guys, for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.